Trimming is an integral part of your cake designing decor. It determines the structure and entire look of your finished cake product. Yeah, most people get it wrong at this stage, either because they are too in a haste to deliver or they lack the technical know-how. So, in just a few minutes, I will bring to your fingertips the tricks and tips you needed to structure your cake like a pro. Hello, it's Chinedu Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. All you need is a serrated knife like this for a professional looking and well trimmed cake. I never knew how easy and effective this knife is until I got one for myself in cake trimming. Especially this long serrated knife is all you need for a professional looking trimmed cake. So all I'm doing now is to level the cake and divide the cake into two equal parts. So at this point, I just placed my knife at the middle of the cake and then move in a slicing motion. So by so doing, your hand will be so straight and you'll be able to slice your cake straight up. We move to the second stage. You can see there's some gap under this cake, so it's not that balanced. So I'll change it for a better one like this. You can see this one is well lapped to my board. I'll be adding some chocolate ganache. You can use buttercream, sugar syrup, honey, depending on what you have or what your customer wants. And if you want to see how I made this, the video will be there at the description box. So I'll add my second layer. Adjust it right to the center of my board and cake, and then add my ganache again. Let's add the third layers now. Okay, but I'm not too comfortable with this stage. Maybe I should try another one. Oh, this one is worst. It has big openings in between the cakes and I'm not comfortable with that. So let me turn it. Yes, it has lapped. Yes, but it seems the cakes are not of the same size, they are not equal. Yeah, that is the essence of this video. So we're gonna trim it and make them looking uniformly. We'll trim this cake in stages. In stage 1, we'll flip the cake to the other side, and in stage 2 we trim by cutting down and off the excesses that is not required, just like this. So we do that in such a way that the trim part will be in line and in the same position with the other parts of the cake. At this stage, I will encourage you to please like this video, subscribe or follow us. So at this point, all you do is just take it gently as if you are scraping it, just to make it smooth and nice. So I'll flip the other side and cut down as well. So after turning the cake, I'll cut down again. Remember, this was the side that was at the upper part before we trimmed. Turning it again has changed the position and I have to cut down this side again. And at the end we have a well trimmed. We're almost done, but we'll do one more step. So we'll stand our knife and begin to trim again. At this point, you don't go deep. All you need is just go lightly, because what you are doing now is like to level up every part, to cause the four sides to be equal. This process also brings out the beauty of your trim. It also determines the look of your cake. So many things, so I advise you don't do this part at the first trimming. Trim down and up before you do this one, and at the end your cake will be so awesome. Please try not to be in haste. Always be patient while trimming your cake. Do not be subjected to under emotion. Just be patient and take your time and you'll get it right. In summary, trim up and down and then trim the side by side using a slicing motion. The last is to work on the cake leveling, which is the top of the cake. So we'll slice up the higher place to meet the area that is low. Please note that this is not the speed at which I trim this cake. Don't get me wrong, I increased the speed of this video just to save time. I was far more sluggish than this. So after which I will move far ahead and view the cake. If there is any part that is higher or lower, you will see it from far. So I think I need to touch this place. From far I saw that I need to touch here a little bit and then trim off the excesses for a unique shaping. Yes. Okay, this decided to dedicate this video entirely for cake trimming because this is where most bakers get it wrong. You may not get it 100%, but try as much as you can to ensure that your cake is not sitting chamfer. And here today, I will bring the other series of cake decoration to you in the next video. Don't you like this? Okay, see you in the next one. Endeavor to like this video and subscribe and follow us if you're yet to do so.